Hey, welcome to Mickey and My Craft. This is Hilda, your host. Today we have a DP Club's unboxing of two cross stitch. DP Club is another budget-friendly company. They have a buy one, get 10% off, buy 5, get 14% off, buy 10, get 18% off, buy 15, get 22% off, and buy 20 get 25% off, and you get free ship if you buy over $45 and over $20 you get a blind box for free. Okay, it's another. They also have diamond paintings and DIY craft in diamond painting. Today we have two cross stitch. One is a vase on windowsill number 4. It's a 29 by 29, and by the way, this is take 2 because apparently I didn't record this. I'll find out. Okay, so here it is. Beautiful colors, a lot of back stitching. Okay, it's a 29 by 29 centimeter, 14 count 2 strands. Okay, we got the chart that tell us there is a lot of back stitching in certain areas, especially the flowers. And it has 32 full stitch, but in total they have 37 colors because the last 5 colors are back stitch for back stitching. But it's 32 full stitch, 120 stitches wide by 120 stitches high. Let's take a look at the. I'm gonna take a look at the goodies later. Here is the windowsill. Okay, the title of the cross stitch with the product code and product number. Search over an arm so it won't fray where you are stitching. Okay, the fabric cloth is stiff, but if you roll it on all 4 sides, it softens up. Here is the symbols. They are very clear with the DMC code. We have some blocking in here, and it's a partial. This area you don't stitches along this white one, and these white patches you don't stitch them. Okay. So it's a partial. The symbols are okay, they're not confusing. They're beautiful. There is no smudge on this fabric. Okay. A lot of blocking. It's a small one, so I'm going to include it in the snack size. So here it is, Joy Sunday with the 2 needles. Okay, and then we're going to see the colors. Here they are. Beautiful, beautiful colors. The pinks and the greens for the outside and the pinks for the flowers. And here the rest. And you can see there is not much of a threads. So it's basically a small one. Those beautiful greens, I like them. So this is the first one. Let's put it inside here. Okay. And the next one, which by the way I told you is a take two. So already excuse me, already got it out of the package when they realized that the camera wasn't on. So here it is, a Christmas celebration, 52 by 40, 14 count, 2 strands, very beautiful. I was questioning what is that. Is a dog that fell or is a deer? I don't know. Okay, that's a pretty tree. Pretty overall scene. We got 8 frames, 3 full, well, 7, 6, I should say, complete, and 2 like a half of it. Okay, and we were looking at this when I realized that I don't have the camera on. So here is the back stitching, and it looks like it's gonna be French knots. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna put. That's on page 1 and 2. Page 3 and 4. That's when I'm gonna use beads, because there is French knot in the tree. Got all those blue. So we got 46 full stitch, 2 French knots, and 6 back stitch. Okay, these are the symbols for the chart, not for the cloth. You follow the symbol for the cloth. Okay, over here, what we got? I don't know what is this. Still can't make it. Still can't make what is that. Whether it is a dog, it's an otter, I don't know. It's a seal taking a dead a deer carcass. Here it is. I like this scene. The girl with the dog. A lot of back stitching on that dog. And take a look at how pretty it is. Number 7. And number 8. 240 stitches wide by 176 stitches high. Okay, and here are the frame. Now we're gonna take a look at the fabric. Remember, I said it's a 52 by 40. So it's big, but not that big, but it's big. Ah, what an irony. Okay, here is the name of the cross stitch, the product number, and the product code. Here is all stitch around, search around, so you won't fray while you're stitching. The fabric is a little harsh. Again, you can roll it. There's a lot of confetti in this one, but there's also some block stitching. It's a full stitch. Everything is a stitch in here. Everything. Except for this little part, I guess. This white stuff that you see over here. So it's a partial. But the whole thing practically is... Oh, there is a white part that you don't stitch. So it's a partial. You know, although it's, for me, it's a 3/4 full. So the symbols are okay. Here are the tree. Okay, with all the confetti on it. Symbols are clear. The fabric is not smudged, because you cannot pour water on this. If you get it wet, the colors will smudge. Beautiful. This is a beautiful big, regular big, I would say. Let's take a look at the goodies. Let's take a look at the goodies. So over here, the 2 needles by Joy Sunday. This one has quite a bit, but this one has a lot of blues. Okay, because it's winter time. Here they are. Beautiful blues. I love that purple. Beautiful purple. And over here, we got some more. Some brown, some blue for the dogs, the browns. Here's the white. I'm trying to put it together, but that they don't tangle, so you can see all these beautiful colors together forever. Here they are. Beautiful, huh? Beautiful colors. Christmassy colors. Colors of winter. Okay, folks, this is it. Thank you for watching. Okay, don't forget to hit the like, share, and comment. Okay, be safe during this holiday season. Okay, especially when going out to shopping. There's a lot of things going on. Don't forget to hug and kiss your fur babies, always. Okay, don't forget to buy them a toy for Christmas or a special treat, you know. Comment below what you're planning to give to your fur baby. Okay, so again, thank you for watching. Have a wonderful week. Don't forget to hug and kiss your fur baby from Mickey and I. Until the next time, much love and peace to all of you. Bye.